I have in my hand here a 9x8 titanium multi-switch from Smart Electronics in Germany. Basically, the purpose of this is to take input from two different satellites, satellite A and satellite B, and also the potential to bring in an input, let's say, from a terrestrial aerial, and then distribute it to up to 8 different outputs. So you get an overview now with 9 inputs, 8 outputs, hence the 9x8 multi-switch. So when would we use this? What would a typical application be? Let's say we have a situation where we're a small apartment block, or a B&B or something like this, and we want to have the facility for a satellite receiver to go into each one, and we want to cover, we'll say, both the Astra 2 satellites, and also, we'll say, which will give us the BBCs, ITVs, etc., and also, we'll say, another satellite such as Hotbird at 13 degrees east, which would give us coverage for Polish and Italian television, and then also the Irish Stairview channels could be fed in via the terrestrial one here. So each cable that's connected to this will carry all of those signals embedded in a single cable, and what we would have then at the receiving end, or in each apartment for instance, we'd have a plate like this. They'll take in a single cable on the back, and on the front of it here it'll split it out, and we'll have a satellite output which will be fed to a single satellite receiver, bringing both satellite signals together. And as well as that, we can have the TV output here as well, which will feed the terrestrial signal directly to your Stairview TV or set-top box, for example. Now, this particular one is a 9x8. We also have a 9x16 in this version. And also, we'll say in our multi-switch range, we'd have just a typical application where we'd have a single satellite terrestrial, and you can be feeding that from 8 anyway up to about 32 TVs. So this particular model here, you know, it's sort of niche in terms of what it serves, but it definitely is a market for it. You know, because there's a lot of developments, would say, when you have people who have very different requirements in terms of the languages and things like this, you can set it up. Just an interesting point about the reason we import this from Germany is that in Germany, we'll say, it's very, very common to use this type of setup in a domestic environment, simply because, you know, it's more tried and trusted technology over there, and they're not using a number of different satellites to do it. But here in Ireland, it's generally, we'll say, or in the UK as well, it's generally more for the commercial applications. With schematics and everything covering this entire area that's available on our website. So maybe come and have a look at it. Just to note, we'll say that in terms of feeds coming into it, obviously it's not coming from a standard LNB, they're coming from quattro LNBs, which divide the signal up into vertical and horizontal, high and low. So with that overview, hopefully you'll have a better understanding of this product.